What's up everyone? Hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be doing a little demo on the GoPro Horizon Lock feature, just showing how to get into that and how that works, and I'll show you the footage on the final result to see how that all came out. So to get into the Horizon Lock here, we just go to settings, and then you have your lens views here. You go to the linear plus horizon leveling, and then you have the Horizon Lock. Just other notable features for the footage, it's at 60 frames. I'll do 4K and then 16:9. We also have the media mod with the front and back mics on today. So with that, and we're gonna record, and you can see here, I'll link the footage, but no matter what way I turn the GoPro, the horizon stays level. And I'll link the footage there, but here we'll do a little walking test just to see how it is when you're walking. Also to show a little bit of the stabilization, and then I'll just turn it. Yeah, this is a really cool feature if you want to just have the camera turn anyway, have it be level, or record upside down even. So yeah, just a short little video there, but I'll throw the footage in here, and thanks for watching. If you want to see anything else on this, let me know, and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.